Hello guys! So in this video, I'll be presenting you how did I make my 3D plant cell model. And these are the materials that I've used. After this, you'll be seeing the process of how I make my 3D plant cell model. That's how I made my 3D plant cell model. So let's move on to the definitions of a plant cell and what are the parts of it. So what is a plant cell? They say cell is the basic unit of life in all organisms, and plant cells are eukaryotic cells that vary in several fundamental factors from other eukaryotic organisms. The plant cell is comparatively larger than the animal cell. Even though plant and animal cells are eukaryotic and share a few cell organelles, plant cells are quite distinct when compared to animal cells as they perform different functions. Both plant and animal cells contain nucleus along with similar organelles. One of the distinctive aspects of a plant cell is the presence of a cell wall outside the cell membrane. Let's move on to the parts of the plant cell. First one is a cell wall. So what is a cell wall? A cell wall is a structural layer surrounding some types of cells just outside the cell membrane. It can be tough, flexible, and sometimes rigid. It provides the cell with both structural support and protection, and also acts as a filtering mechanism. Cell walls are present in most prokaryotes except molecule bacteria, in algae, fungi, and eukaryotes including plants, but are absent in animals. A major function of it is to act as a pressure vessels, preventing overexpansion of the cell when water enters. Cell membrane. The cell membrane is also known as the plasma membrane. It is a semi-permeable membrane composed of lipids and proteins. The main functions of the cell membrane include protecting the integrity of the interior cell, providing support, and maintaining the shape of the cell. It helps in regulating cell growth through the balance of endocytosis and exocytosis. The cell membrane also plays an important role in cell signaling and communication. It acts as a selectively permeable membrane by allowing the entry of only selected substances into the cell. Chloroplasts. Chloroplasts are organelles found in plant cells and eukaryotic algae that conduct photosynthesis. It absorbs sunlight and uses it in conjunction with water and carbon dioxide gas to produce food for the plant. Mitochondrion. Mitochondrion is a double membrane-bound organelle and has numerous folds. Most of the ATP is made here. Mitochondrion is one of the largest organs of the cell and is known as the powerhouse of the cell. Nucleus. The nucleus is a membrane-bound organelle that contains genetic material, DNA, of eukaryotic organisms. It serves to maintain the integrity of the cell by facilitating transcription and replication processes. It is also the largest organelle inside the cell. Nucleolus. The nucleolus is a round body located inside the nucleus of a eukaryotic cell. It is not surrounded by a membrane but sits in the nucleus. Golgi apparatus. The Golgi apparatus is responsible for packaging proteins into vesicles prior to secretion and therefore plays a key role in the secretory pathway. Vacuole. Vacuoles are membrane-bound cell organelles present in the cytoplasm and filled with a watery fluid containing various substances. It also helps in the storage and disposal of various substances. Endoplasmic reticulum. The endoplasmic reticulum plays a major role in the production, processing, and transport of proteins and lipids. And there are two types of endoplasmic reticulum, that known as smooth endoplasmic reticulum and rough endoplasmic reticulum. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum, by contrast, is not associated with ribosomes and its functions different. Meanwhile, the rough endoplasmic reticulum is named for its rough appearance, which is due to the ribosomes attached to its outer cytoplasmic surface. Ribosome. A ribosome is a cell organelle. It functions as a micromachine for making proteins. Peroxisome. Peroxisomes is a membrane-bound organelle and are oxidative organelles. Lysosome. Lysosome contains digestive enzymes and also involved with various cell processes. Vesicle. Vesicle are an organelles that are small, membrane-enclosed sacs that store and transport substances to and from one cell to another. That's all for this vlog. Thanks for watching and I hope you enjoyed this video.